It's the Numberblocks. They're here to help us find the missing puzzle pieces. I'm number 1. I'm exactly 1 red block. Can you draw the number 1? Let's do it together. Climb to the top, then down we run. That's the way we make a 1. Great job. Look, a missing puzzle piece. We found the number 1. Where does it go? It goes here. I'm number 2. And I'm made of 1, 2 orange blocks. Let's draw a number 2 together. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. That's great. And here's another missing piece. We found number 2. Where does it go? Right here. Look at me. I'm number 3. I'm 1, 2, 3 yellow blocks. Can you draw a number 3? Around a tree, around another tree. That's the way we make a 3. Number 3, that's me. Look, another puzzle piece. Number 3. And here it goes. I am 4. I am 1, 2, 3, 4 green blocks tall. Let's draw a number 4. Down and across, down once more. That's the way we make a 4. Great job. Another piece. The number 4 goes here. I'm number 5. I'm made of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue blocks. Let's learn how to draw a 5 together. Down and around, then a flag on top. 5, 5, 5 won't stop. Great job. High five. Look, another puzzle piece. It's number 5. 5 goes here. I'm number 6. And I'm made of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 purple blocks. Do you know how to draw a 6? Let's try. Make a curve, then a loop. Now there's a 6 in the group. That's a great 6. And a new puzzle piece. It's the number 6. Number 6 goes here. I'm lucky number 7. I'm made of 1 red, 1 orange, 1 yellow, 1 green, 1 blue, 1 indigo, and 1 violet block. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks. I'm 7 blocks and I'm a rainbow. Can you draw a 7? Let's try. Across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way we make a 7. That's it. It's our next puzzle piece. It's number 7. 7 goes here. I'm number 8. I'm Octoblock. I'm made of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pink blocks. Octoblock. Do you know how to draw an 8? Let's try. Make an S and don't you wait. Carry on round to make an 8. That's great. And another puzzle piece. And the 8 goes here. I am 9. I'm a square. I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 grey blocks. Let's see if we can draw a number 9. Draw a circle, then a line. That's how you make a 9. Look, it's the next puzzle piece. It's a 9. It goes here. I'm 10. I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks. 10 is made of 2 numbers. Can you draw them? A 1 stands tall, a 0's round. Together, that's a 10 we've found. Good job. It's the last number for our puzzle. The 10 piece goes here. We've found them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! It's been great fun learning numbers with you today. Subscribe for new videos every week and we'll see you next time.